In this video, I'll show you how to enable WooCommerce multi-currency. Alright, so what we're going to do is go to our WordPress site. So where we want to be is on our WordPress dashboard, and what we're going to do is just navigate to the plugins section and then click on add plugin. And then again on the top, you're going to click on add plugin. And then here in search, we're just going to search for multi-currency. And then you'll see this will pop up. So you can just click on install now. And then you can click on activate. And now you'll see we have a little multi-currency section on our side panel. And if we click on that, we just need to click on enable. And I would advise you activate this default button just to set the default currency for your site. And then you can just click on add currency. And when you're done, all you want to do is click on save. But do feel free to explore these options and adjust them as you please. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.